How to make money online. Investing and saving money. 6 easy ways to start investing with little money. Investing even very small amounts can reap big rewards. Here are 6 ways you can start investing with little money today. For many people, the word investing conjures up images of men in suits, monitoring the exchange of millions of dollars on a stock ticker. I'm here to tell you, you don't need to be the Wolf of Wall Street to start investing. It's okay if you're more of a mouse of Main Street. Even if you only have a few dollars to spare, your money will grow with compound interest. The key to building wealth is developing good habits, like regularly putting money away every month. Swap out the barista-made cappuccinos for coffee at home and you could already be saving more than $50 a month. Once you have a little money to play with, you can start to invest. In 2020, you can get a date, a ride or pizza with a swipe of a smartphone screen. Investing is no different. If you can automate your bills, why not your investments? It's just as easy. With a robo-advisor or savings account, you can make your money work while you play. With a stock trading app, you can play with a little money and learn valuable investing lessons at the same time. Just like Halloween costumes, investing comes in many different forms. It shouldn't be a scary word. With so many different options, investing for beginners is simpler and more straightforward than ever before. Soon you'll see how addictive growing your money can be.